Hello, this is Christopher, and today I'm going to be opening a jumbo hobby box of 2022 TOPPS Update Series baseball cards coming right at you. Hobby box right there, jumbo hobby box. Each box contains 10 packs, 46 cards per pack, and so that means 460 cards, so there's going to be a few doubles. But you get the whole set in here. It also includes one autograph and 2 relic cards, in which one of the relic cards is a manufacturer relic, so I am not a fan of that because of the price of these boxes. Yeah, it's just some silly stuff, whatever. It's always been like that, so whatever. Always been like that. Yeah, it finally came, so that's what she said, so I finally get to open it. I wanted to show you. Male person dropped the ball again. Got a big gash there in the corner. I don't know how that happens in a big box that's protected, but so I'll see that back corner first. See if any of the cards are thrashed, have thrashed corners in them, which would be this whole side over here. So. Alright, so we do get a box topper. The box topper is the Ricky Henderson. Alright. Very cool weapon. Looking at his stats lately. It's a replica of his rookie card, it looks like. Nice. 1980. Alright. Put that over there for now. Here are the silver packs that I will open in a separate video, because I like to showcase these. I'll open them with the 2021. I have the 2021 update series, so I opened the 2022 with the 2021 that I just opened this past week as well to get ready for this. So here we go. I usually pull all the packs out anyways, because that's the way I roll. So there's 2, 4, 6, 5, and then the thrashed pack, this one here. So I'll open the thrash pack first. See what we get. 2022 update series. TOPPS update series baseball. Put that in the background so you can see. So you can look at the Rick. Alright. So here we go. Let's look at this thrashed pack here. So it was in there like that. So it would be thrashed in the upper corner, I guess. So we'll see. There's a little bit of room in the box, but I don't know. So, all that being said and done, finally, almost 3 minutes in, let's grip and rip. All right. So it doesn't appear. Let's see. I don't see any thrashing. Okay. All right. Just wanted to check that out. Hey, man, you pay dollars for a box of cards. You want... There's what they look like, the usual. There's Kenley Jansen, the usual, what it's been for this year, the 2022. Same design, same back, just with US beside the number, because that means update series. All right. So this will have supposedly the rookies that you were supposed to chase in the Chrome. So we have Tommy Romero, Taylor, Cato. They don't make it easy. Rookie card. What? Nestor Cortez. Kyle. Reese McGuire. Starting already. Jesus, it's been like a couple weeks since I've heard these guys' names and already not pronouncing them right or correctly. Oh, man. And we go with the collation. Got that correlation. All right, Max Scherzer, Jesse Winker, Hunter Green, rookie debut card, Tyler Naquin, Mackenzie Gore, debut card, Chris Bryant in the Rockies uniform. There's Kikuchi, more upside down cards, Alcantara, Sergio Alcantara. Or Alcantara. I know the pitcher, the one that's a pitcher is pronounced Alcantara. But I don't know how that one's pronounced. Probably Alcantara. All right, whatever. All right, Orlando Arcia, James Norwood. Yeah, seeing a lot of names here that didn't play the whole season, but there's Daniel Norris, Zimmer. All right, getting down there to the one last dance. Those guys. I saw that Wainwright is coming back for 2023 season. There's a silver, the silver Anderson Severino. Silver parallel. I'll put the parallel pop up there. I forgot that has to go all the way back there. There we go. So get enough room. And then here's a Babe Ruth. Nice, very nice short print. That is a short print. All right, I'll just put it back there in the background. All right. Now for the rest of the inserts, we have Newt Bar, Generation Now. There's Juan Soto, All-Star Game. Insert their inserts this year, which is kind of weird. I'll just put that in the insert pile. And then Bryce Harper, nice insert. NLCS MVP. NLCS MVP, Bryce Harper. Next pack. Got 10 of these to do, so sit back, relax. Just relax. Just relax. Take my time. Go through this collation, get through it. Javier Baez in the Detroit Tigers uniform. Ugh. What is going on here? Rougned Odor. Sideways shots. Trinan Norris. Bradley Zimmer. MJ Melendez. Oh, look. A double already. One last dance. Double already. Corey Kluber. And Cole Sulzer. Okay, silver. Parallel. And another backwards. Kelvin Gutierrez. And that is a gold, number 1642 out of 2022. Yep. All right. Not going to sleeve that one up. There's J-Rod. See what the back of that one looks like. All right. Let's see here. There. Yeah, I look at the back of the cards sometimes. There's All-Star Game. Albert Pujols. Let's see what one of his last cards looks like. Well, the All-Star Game card anyways. There's Rodon insert. Okay. Aces up. There we go. Max Scherzer. Hunter Green. Rookie card. Rookie debut card. Tyler Naquin. There's Gore again. Chris Bryant again. Getting some doubles already, man. Zach Greinke. Future Hall of Famer, question mark? I think so, maybe. He's been playing for many years. He has the statistics, I think. I believe. All right. All right, next pack. Just put the packs in the camera so you can see how many are left. All right. Boom. Tapia. Wow, look at that. He's going after it. Looks like he's getting ready to dive into a base or something. 100 career home runs for Shohei Ohtani. Hunter Green. More collation. I can pronounce for doo-doo. Matt Strom. Rogers. Collation. Is it correlation or collation? This correlation doesn't sound right. Correlation's like a correlation is like it's like relevant to something else. You know, it's correlation. It's a correlation to that. Something like that. So I think it's something correlation. Coalition, how about that? Stay cool. Noah Syndergaard with the Angels, now with the Phillies helping them. helping them out with their pennant race, chase, and World Series. O'Neal Cruz, another up and coming that the Pirates will probably deal away after he hits 30 home runs because that's what their office does. There's LeMay, just a gold foil, rainbow foil, gold foil. All right, Jack Morris, Paragons of the Postseason, 1991. What the back of that one looks like. All right. Oh. Nestor Cortez, All-Star insert. See, Vladdy Jr. insert. Okay, Lucius Fox, rookie card. Oh, I didn't. Okay. Let's see. J.P. Sears. Ramirez, Kirby rookie card. Drew Smiley, Duggar. Joe Ryan. Collation. Dickerson, Perez. Bass, Palante. Gray, Hummel rookie card. Seth Lugo. See, Donovan and Engel round out that pack. Still looking for the 3 hits. The 3 hits that come with the box. All right, next pack. Almost, well, a little bit before halfway. I expected this to be at least a half hour long. Plus, taking my time even more because it's brand new. Familia, Archie Bradley, Louis Siga, man. Kenley Jansen, just like names I haven't seen in like almost a year. Crop back up, from Series 1 and stuff. You're used to the Series 2 guys. Matt Duffy, Brown, Royce Lewis, rookie card. Freddie Freeman, Cortez, Bradish, Rivalry Love. Those 2 guys. Except he's not there anymore. He's on the Padres, so he is. Spoiler alert. Japan Legends reunite once again. Boom. Logan Webb. Rookie combos. Manny Pena? I'm going to Pena. That's what she said. Okay, Clint Frazier. Gold. Foil. Just foil. Rainbow foil. Prism with an S. Big Poppy, Paragons of the Postseason 2004. Pretty nice insert there. There's Yordan Alvarez, who just tearing it up in the postseason. And then Carlos Correa insert. Bryson Stott turned out to be a pretty good ball player. That's cool. I was wondering if they were going to have him in here. Bryson Stott, that is. Vogelbach, Morales, Pollock, Jesse Winker again. Bryce Elder. More names I can't pronounce. Nick Allen, Alcantara, or Alcantara. Whichever way it's pronounced. All right, next pack. Let's get it. This will be after this pack will be the halfway point. Woo! All right. So we have Swinsky and Collation. I'm just going to stop saying that word because I can't even say that word. Will Smith, not that Will Smith. There's Castellanos finally in the Phillies uniform. Jeez. Because he had him like in Series 2 still in his old Reds uniform, and it was kind of annoying because he signed with the Phillies before the season started, so he figured he'd be like, in his Phillies uniform for either Series 1 or Series 2, but nope, he wasn't. Now he finally is in the update series. Shaking my head. Whatever. All right. There's another gold, and the first hit's coming up here, right behind here. This is gold prism, or rainbow prism, whatever you want to call it. And it is Justin Verlander. Event worn. Event war memorabilia. All right. So is that the spring training? All-star Stitches relic card from blah, blah, blah. The relic contained on this card is from a uniform worn during the 2022 MLB All-Star Game festivities. All right. All right. All right. And it fit nicely in a 75 point top loader for those of you that are keeping track at home, which I know you're not because you don't really care about that, but some people do. They like to know what the thickness is of cards sometimes. All right, so we have Eddie Matthews, nice die cut there. And that of the 1957 World Series, all right. And then the All-Star Game insert is Shohei Ohtani. And then there's Wander Franco insert, all right. Sugo. Gotta have fun, man. Gotta have fun. There's Josh Lowe. Lucas Sims. If you don't have fun in this hobby, then what are you doing here? What are you doing if it's serious business all the time? Why are you here? That's my question to you. There's Soler, and Bobby Witt Jr. All right, get some nice pack here. Duran, Kutch McCutcheon, the Brewers, Marte. So sad, too bad, so sad they missed the playoffs because of the Phillies. Gonsolin, there he is. J-Rod! Here he is with the minor league batting record. All right. After this came out, it's probably worth like $1 now. Just like, remember that guy in Series 1? I have about 10 or 20 or 30 of that guy. Because there were Wander Francos raining from the sky. Yeah, so they were. It was pretty funny. Good on those that got $20 per card early on. I just kept mine. Whatevs. Feta. There's Walton, Ramos, Rich Hill, Eddie Cabrera, and sideways cards. Not gonna try it. In action. Look at all these cards. In action. There's the Stars Collide. And that guy. Okay, so we have a silver, and there's a backwards one right behind him. A backwards die cut. So we have Urshela, silver. So it's Bob Feller. And it's backwards for some reason. Probably because it's the color, maybe blue and gold. It's not numbered or anything, but so I don't know. I'll just put it in one of these just so I know it's special. That's supposed to be that's supposed to be something special, like maybe a parallel that's different color. Probably can't tell because see the other one's like plain silver. This one's blue, so it's like maybe blue parallel. Blue parallel. Right, here's a gold. Black gold. Nice black gold. Pete Alonso. These are always nice inserts. Boom. Old polar bear. And Bryce Harper All-Star insert. Mount Castle. And then correlation. Oh, Lord. 9th all-time in hits. Who's that guy? I don't know. Who is that guy? There's the all-time hits leaders. Maybe? No, it's just a checklist for the update series. All right, Cesar Hernandez. He's still around. He used to be on the Phillies. Reyes, Yu Chang, Miller, dancing in Detroit. Is Miggy coming back? Miguel Cabrera coming back? I don't know. I haven't been keeping track of him. Because he gets lost in the Detroit space up there. Detroit Tigers. Robinson Cano. Padres now. All right, so we got 4 packs left. 2 hits to still get, so 50% chance that there will be a hit in each of these last 4 packs. All right. It's been a pretty fun break. I like the inserts and stuff, because I know I'm going to get a whole set of base cards, so I'm not really worried about that. I'm just going through so you can see what the pictures of the players are, in case if anybody, cares about that. There's Urshela again. Gore again. Wow. Some of these names. Oh, sideways time. There's the backwards card again. So we have Quintana, Ryan Presley, rookie combos, MVP caliber. Oh, who's that guy? Oh no, who's that? Oh no, I can't read that Otani name. Suzuki and Jake Walsh. Okay. So he's backwards. That's weird. And that's numbered out of 50. So it's numbered out. The next car is numbered out of 50. So we have Lulo. And it is Yusei Kikuchi. It's like a powder blue. Wow. Check it out. And then behind that is the autograph. So that is, wow. $18 out of 50. Let's see, 18 out of 50. My glasses need glasses. So I will sleeve that up. Nice low-level parallel. All right. And then the next hit is a Minnesota Twin. Giovanni Moran. Nice on card. It's hard signed on there. 1987 baseball autograph from 2022 Topps. All right. All right. And there he is in a nice, shiny top loader. So I don't mess that card up just in case. I don't know how he's doing. I don't know. I'll have to check him out. See how his season went. Okay. Now the rest of the cards in this pack. Generation Now, Scubao, Petey, and then Tatis. Will he come back with a vengeance next year? All right, Romo, Lulo. Correlation. I'm going to start calling it that. Correlation. Oh, look, there's that rookie debut of that guy. My collection. Piromo. There's Kyle Schwarby. Spencer Torkelson. Had a pretty good year. I guess, I don't know. Bryson Stott. Rookie debut this year, April. Yep. Did pretty good. A pretty decent year. There's Brandon Marsh, the caveman. I call him caveman. I don't know if anybody else does. But there he is. That was a nice pickup. He was with the Angels. Now he's with the Phillies at the deadline or something. They picked him up. Did a pretty decent job. Oh, and there's that Nola guy, Austin Nola. Gave the Phillies problems in the playoffs. Figures because of his brother Aaron being on the Phillies. All right, next pack. Ooh, another die cut. I like those die cut cards. Another 100 home runs, and that is for Juan Soto. And not the other guy, Shohei Ohtani. All right, what's going on here? There's a couple cards stuck together. There we go. Correlation. All right. So we have Royce Lewis, Senzo, Albert Pujols, his actual regular card instead of all the other cards so far. Philly Phenoms. All right. Hoskins and that guy. Who's that guy? Harper. Taylor Mahle, Dakota Hudson, Arias, Frazier, Sideways. All right. Stelmont, Davies, rookie combos. New test for the West. All right. Bobby Witt, debut card. Let's see. Tyro, Estrada, and then some more rookie combos. Ooh. Okay, let's see. This way. So we have the rookie debut. Gold Prism. Foil. Rainbow foil. Prism of Arias. Rookie card. And the die cut is the Wizard. Ozzie Smith. As that would say. Boom. All right. Trey Turner is the All-Star insert. And then, oh, Ken Griffey Jr. Nice. See what his stats look like. All right. Correlation. Ooh. Raf Snyder. Profar. There's Wander Franco. Rookie debut card. Rojas, Irvin, Williams. Corey Seager. There he is. With the Rangers. Kirby, Moran. Stephen Kwan. Kalum, Kyle Cody. 3,000 hits for Miggy. And then Bautista. Matt Olson. Garrett Stubbs. Stephen Kwan. Tyler Wade. Christian Pache. And Kevin Smith. Not that Kevin Smith. All right. Okay. 2 packs left. Still looking for the manufacturer relic. It'll probably be in this pack because that's what happened before when I said there was 50% chance. 50% chance of it being in the last 2 hits in the last 4 packs or whatever. So there's 1 hit in the last 2 packs and nope, it's not in this one. Must be in the last one. All right. CJ Abrams, Gutierrez, Voigt. Let me get this camera angle fixed. Bruwan. Eduardo Rodriguez. Let me get that on camera. Mike Clevenger. He's about to run somewhere in the rain. Sean Manea. And the sideways cards. All right. Rookie combos. Opening day Bronx Bash. Detmers, Yarborough, Pilkington. Infield crew for the Orioles. Rivalry love. Ozzie Albies and Juan Soto again. All right, so there's that. Another silver. And this one's gold. Kurt Casale, I guess. 11/23 out of 2022. Boom. Then we have Lou Bob behind there. Nice black gold card. I like these. They're pretty cool. They remind me of the old school back when there were black gold inserts. Mookie Betts All-Star card. And then Torkelson insert. Let's see, Castro, Montero, Mahle. I like Thomas, Hearn, Goodrum, Joe Ross, Dozier, Correlation, Abrams, Renfro, Gomez, Duval, Torkelson, rookie debut card. All right, Michael Franco, Anderson, and DeGotti. Okay. Okay, last pack. Woo! Made it. Made it. This should have a hit in it. And it does. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. All right, so we'll have some inserts first here. Break on to the postseason. Balls. You can read that. All right. Then Garrett Cole insert. Suzuki insert. Okay. Now we get into the regular cards. Another Bryson Stott. Pena Brazil. Severino Vogelbach. Morales Pollock. Pollock. All right, so John Gray, Elder, Tavino, Paddock, Nick Allen, Kennedy, Familia, Melly, I can't pronounce it. Archie Bradley, Lucidja, Bannon, Duffy, Brown, Royce Lewis, Freddie Freeman again, Fulmer, Hernandez. There's that card again. Logan Webb and then rookie combos again. Okay. So we have 2 cards and then the last hit. So Josh Harrison is a gold foil. And then Seth Brown is a TOPPS logo card. Okay. It should be, I think it's numbered down 99. Is it? I don't know. Looks like Jackie Robinson Day. Jose Altuve, of course. Because I hit a lot of Astros. There's Justin Verlander and there's Jose Altuve. So it looks like it's a Houston Astros box. You trying to tell me something? The Phillies are going to beat you. I hope. And this is numbered out of 199. Special event commemorative patch card from the patch I've read. This card was specially crafted for the update series, but it's numbered for fake rareness. It's pretty cool though. Pretty nifty. But I like to see that in blasters and not here in a $200 box of cards. Nonetheless, it is numbered out of 99, like I said. 31 out of 99 is actual cardboard back instead of paper. The TOPPS thingy. TOPPS logo card, all right. So I'll just go like this, sleeve this up, and do a recap. So you just saw this one here. All right, here we go. So you just saw this one, the Jose Altuve, numbered out 199. Okay. And this was the first hit, the Relic card. Event worn, so it was worn during the All-Star game. Justin Verlander, but not numbered. I'll put that in a top loader later. And then here was the autograph. Was that guy? Okay, here are all of the, well, here's the box topper. Box topper was the Rick. It's oversized card. Replica of his rookie card. All right. And then a short print, Babe Ruth short print. Let's see what his stats were. All right. And then a Kikuchi, powder blue, numbered out of 50. I think it looks like 18. Can't hardly tell. 16 or 18. I think it's 18. All right. There. And here are the inserts. Got that logo card numbered out 99. I think I'll get a sleeve that one up. And then here are the inserts I received. I like these black gold inserts. Pretty cool. And the die cuts, of course, are really cool. And this was blue instead of the silver, so I'll put that aside on the goodie pile. Here's all of the rest of the inserts. Got Big Poppy there. Jack Morris. All right, just making sure none of these are numbered, because you never know. That one. All right, Newt Bar. And then the parallel pile. Here are the parallels. See, regular gold foil, gold of 2022. I'll put that in the numbered pile. Then we have silver, gold, silver, silver, gold, 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 parallel. Yeah. That's an actual gold, numbered to 2022. Then we have silver and another silver prism with an S, not a Z, because if it was a Z, it'd be Panini Prism. All right. And thanks for watching my jumbo hobby box of 2022 Topps Update Series baseball cards. Feel free to tap that like, share, and or subscribe button. Leave a comment if you like. And I'll see you later.